Good morning, sugar sweeties! Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another videos na naman ang share ko sa inyo. So, let's do it! Alright, so I have here 12 inches round size styrofoam cake board that has 1 inch thick. So I'm putting a little amount of icing on the center so that our vanilla chiffon cake will stick to it. So this is whipped it icing. And by the way, I will be making a 1-tier customized dinosaur design. This is 8 by 5 inches round size that has 4 layers cakes and filling inside. Alright? So the cake toppers that I'm going to use for these cakes are those pictures that we made a tutorial video. What am I doing now is crumb coating the cake. So I'm putting a little amount of icing on top and then crumb coat the sides. So once it's fully covered, I use scraper again to clean the sides and the top. So once it's done, I place this cake into the fridge to firm for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so moving on to our mixing of color. This is light blue. Applying the second coat, and for this time we have nothing else to do with the cake but smoothing and smoothing until we get the good result. So for the cake board, I have a leftover color green here from the fridge. So I'm covering all the white spaces there with a green color. After covering the cake board, I simplified a lids design for the cake border. And then putting a few of the animal images. So after piping the lids, I'm adding now the dinosaur pictures together with the coconut tree and the dinosaur's egg. So this one is the name of the celebrant made with fondant. So this is his request for his birthday. So this is now our finished product. So thank you for watching Sugar City. See you again to my next video. Bye!